Hi everyone, it's Martin at Ilkley Car Audio. So today we're going to be talking about the Scorpion X immobiliser we've fitted on this Range Rover Evoque. So this is the 2013 Range Rover. This one you can enter the code using the steering wheel functions here, window switches down here and the gear change things. So I'll show you how the system works. At the moment you go press start, it comes up on the dash, smart key not recognised. It'll just keep doing that until you put the code in. So the code on this one, we've put a basic default one on there. It's quite an easy code so the customer can change it. So downshift, upshift, downshift, upshift. You see the hazard lights flash. That now means that the vehicle can be started. As soon as you see them lights, you can turn the ignition off, you can turn the ignition back on. But the minute you open the driver's door, the system automatically rearms. At that point there, you get back in the vehicle, you go to press start, again, it won't start. So again, downshift, upshift, downshift, upshift. Turns off the system, you can now start the vehicle. Now this is really good because it interrupts the canbus network. So when you've seen videos of people sitting outside digitally scanning the car, going to steal the car, this stops that happening. They can't do a relay theft because it's got a physical cut on the vehicle. They can't get past the immobilisation. It also interrupts the canbus. So we've done canbus interruption on 2 lines, and we've also done a digital cut, and we've also done a physical hard cut on this vehicle. So even if they manage to bypass 2, they've still got 2 more to bypass. So this is quite an effective, quite secure system. It's £450 fully fitted, and we can do this on your vehicle in roughly 2 to 3 hours. And it's done at our workshop over in Ilkley. If you're interested and you want to book in for this service, all you have to do is go onto our website. There's a booking in section. Just go down to security. It's under Scorpion X. Book in, choose your date, choose your time. If you're unsure if the system will work with your vehicle, please get in touch. But if you've seen any of the products fitted and you've been on Scorpion's website and you've seen it's compatible, please just get in touch. We'll get it fitted, get it installed, done properly, done securely. Takes about 2 to 3 hours. Have a good day. See you later.